Hello engineers, let's try to solve this past REE board exam problem. So yung problem natin is a cross-section through is a semi-ellipse with the width at the top 18 inches and a depth 12 inches. The through is filled with water to a depth of 4 inches, so find the width of the surface of water. Okay, let's solve this problem using our conventional solution. So first is let's illustrate the problem. So ito yung ating cross-section ng ating semi-ellipse through. Tapos sabi sa problem is yung width at the top daw, itong portion na to is 18 inches. So we have 2A is equal to 18 inches. So ang kalahati nito is A. And then yung width daw ng ating semi-ellipse through is 12 inches. So sabi sa problem, yung ating throw daw is if you filled up with water to a depth of 4 inches. So, ito yun. And then, yung depth daw ng tubig natin is 4 inches. So, sabi sa problem, hanapin daw natin yung width ng ating water. So, itong length na to. Okay, let's divide this semi-ellipse. So, at this point, ito yung ating center. Let's have this center at point 0, 0. And then, let's use the equation of ellipse. So, yung equation ng ellipse natin is x minus h squared all over e squared plus y minus k squared all over b squared is equal to 1. And then, yung width ng ating semi-ellipse through is 2a is equal to 18. So, we have a is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So, ito yung ating semi-minor axis. And then, yung b natin is equal to 12 inches. So, ito yung ating semi-major axis. So, ito yung ating semi-minor or semi-minor at ito yung ating semi-major. And then, ito yung magiging projection ng ating water. So, sabi sa problem, yung depth daw ng ating water is 4 inches. So, therefore, ito yung kalahati ng width ng ating water surface. So, therefore, yung buong width is 2 times x, so that is 2x. Ito yung buong width. So, in order to solve this problem, kailangan natin makuha yung distance from the center to the surface of water. So, which is, yung buong height is 12. Mababawasan ng height ng water natin, which is 4. So, we have 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. Since we are assuming that the center of our semi-ellipse through is at point 0, 0, so yung value ng h at k natin is 0 respectively. So we have x minus 0 squared all over a natin, which is 9 squared, plus y minus 0 squared all over b natin, which is 12 squared, which is equal to 1. So we have a simplified equation as x squared all over 9 squared plus y squared all over 12 squared is equal to 1. And then, yung value ng y natin is ito. 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8. So, let's substitute y as 8. So, x squared all over 9 squared plus 8 squared all over 12 squared is equal to 1. By simplifying this equation, we will arrive x squared is equal to 45, which is by applying square root at both sides, we have x is equal to 3 square root of 5. Since yung hinahanap sa problem is the width of the surface of the water at yung kalahati is denoted as x, so therefore yung buong width is 2x. So the width of the water is 2x, which is equal to 2 times the value of x, which is equal to 3 square root of 5. So therefore, 2 times 3 square root of 5, that is equal to 6 square root of 5 inches. So ito yung ating magiging final answer. So I hope marami kayong natutunan sa video na to and maraming salamat sa panonood. See you next time.